Hey guys, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super cute DIY for Valentine's Day. How adorable are these conversation heart magnets? I love how they turned out, and even better, they're totally a craft you can tackle in under an hour. Let's get started. You're gonna need a plate, wooden hearts, I picked these up at Hobby Lobby, some paint brushes, and magnets. I picked some really pretty pastel shades that look like conversation hearts, but honestly you could pick any colors that your heart desires. First up, we gotta paint our hearts. I put down a paper towel to protect my surface and then just started painting. It was definitely easier to start with the edges and then paint the flat side. Take my advice. I did 2 coats on each to hide the wood grain and then let them dry completely. Next, you're going to need a red Sharpie and go ahead and plug in that hot glue gun to glue on the magnets. I just wrote out some really cute, funny messages on each of my hearts, like text me and hey boo, treat yourself, and anything that was cute and I thought would make my friends laugh. You could do anything. Last step, just hot glue those magnets right to the back. Don't mind the fact that my hot glue is black. It's leftover from Halloween. And that's it. It's time to go find a magnetic surface to put these babies on. They would be so perfect for a locker or refrigerator or as a cute little party favor. And because you can customize the messages, your friends will totally love them. I hope you enjoyed this DIY project for Valentine's Day. If you make these cuties, please tag me on Instagram at ColorfulMegan. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for more holiday fun, party ideas, and pretty things you can make. See you next time!